Hello, it's Toto here. Let's talk about the art of saying yes. Saying yes is an act of courage. It's choosing growth over comfort, possibility over fear, and connection over isolation. Every meaningful change in our lives often begins with a single simple word, yes. Yes to trying again after failure. Yes to showing up when it would be easier to stay hidden. Yes to the opportunity you don't feel fully ready for, but take anyway. The art of saying yes is not about pleasing everyone, it's about recognizing the moments that stretch you, shape you, and move you closer to the person you want to become. Because sometimes the path you're searching for doesn't appear until you're brave enough to step onto it. So listen closely to what excites you, what challenges you, what calls you forward. And when you hear it, don't hesitate. Say yes